it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making amaretti with espresso coffee, and they're delicious. I'm going to start doing them now. Okay, here I just grated some almonds, and they're raw almonds, finely grated. Okay, I just did them now. We have sugar, eggs, coffee, and coffee beans for the top, and coffee and sugar. I'll show you after, we're gonna roll them in here. Once this, I'll mix it. Okay, this is for later when I start doing the rolling. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the sugar with the eggs. Okay, and these are all almonds, no flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the coffee, and the almonds. Okay. I'm gonna add espresso coffee. Oops. Some almond extract. Okay. Here I have a pizza pan, and I'm gonna be baking it. And on here, it's parchment paper. Okay, I'm gonna mix them now. Actually, this I really like to mix it with my hands. I always like to mix stuff with my hands. And it's done, there's not much to this to do, They're all done. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands, and I will show you the next step. Okay, I'm ready to roll them now. Here I have coffee beans, and here I have ground coffee, espresso coffee with sugar. And here's some water. If your hands get sticky while you're doing the rolling, my hands are nice and washed. So I'm gonna start doing the rolling now. Okay, just take a little bit of the mixture, roll them like that, see, and put them there. Okay, so wet your hands, and you get just a little bit of the mixture. And I love to roll, you know how I love to roll. Here, so, and there you go, nice and easy. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you those few that I did, because it takes time to roll them up, and I will continue after on my own. Oh, and here I have these little cups. You can put them in here to make them look pretty. If you're gonna take them somewhere and give them to a friend, and you just get them and put them like that in the little cups. You can roll them in here too, and I'll do a few without, so I'll show you, which one. The taste, it's there. Just some you do on the in the cups, and some you do without. If you just want to put them straight on the parchment paper, I'm gonna put
Ba ba da ba 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 ba.
Ciao for now.